How do you handle juggling the people in Salida and the county? In other words, how do you play ball with the county and the big machine as well as taking care of your constituents?
Yeah, you mean the county as far as staff at the county? Or
Just the whole political machine.
Yeah, well, Salida makes up a portion of my district, basically. Salida is a population of 14,000 here. The district is made up of about 105,000. So it's just one of the areas that I serve, and so I try to do that as best I can here, along with everybody else in the county that we have to deal with. So.
What other areas, quickly, do you represent besides Salida? You say it's about 100,000 people.
Yeah, it's about 105,000. It really, if you think of it from river to river, from the Tuolumne River to the Stanislaus River, and if you kind of took Tully Road through Modesto as the line, and everything west of Tully Road from river to river is an easy way to look at the district, yeah.
That's a pretty big district.
Yeah, it's all of them, like I said, are about 105,000. So some of them are more city, or more within the city. Mine, like I said, is more of a west side kind of farming area, and Salida. So,
what is the first and foremost piece of agenda on your desk as far as Salida is concerned right now?
This whole annexation thing. That's the main thing we're talking about. Is trying to. The ultimate goal here is to get services to Salida. With the cuts and stuff the county has had, we've had to reduce services, not just in Salida, but throughout the county. So then what we're looking at is how can we get better services out here to Salida? Maybe Salida's happy with what they have, and that's where we'll end up too. But there's a Salida community plan that's in place right now that calls for a whole lot of things in Salida. It calls for 5,000 new houses and business and industrial and commercial stuff going on. So more than anything out of this whole process, we are really informing Salida of what's going on out here, that a lot of stuff that they didn't even know, weren't aware of. I think a lot more people are aware of what they have, how things are zoned out here right now, and what the current plan is for Salida. So if we get nothing else out of this, if we end up with no annexation, we stay with the county, at least people will know a lot more about what's going on out here. So,
sounds good. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.